Hi, everyone. Thanks for taking the time to watch all of our demos. I think we're the last startup presenting today, so thanks for sticking around. I'm Dan. I'm one of the co-founders of Darksquare. And what we are is we're an investment platform for individual retail investors, and we allow them access to private market alternative assets. So we let our customers invest in assets such as private credit, distressed credit, renewable energy opportunities like wind and solar farms, commercial forestry, hedge funds, and many more. We'll basically look at anything that isn't equity and isn't cryptocurrencies. And the main problem that we're looking to solve is that right now, individual investors are very limited in terms of investment options. You're mostly limited to investing in equities, ETFs, which are often linked to equities, and cryptocurrencies. But there are so many other asset classes out there, many of which have little to no correlation to public markets, so they make a great diversification tool, and also offer the potential to generate strong risk-adjusted returns. So what we've done is we've built an online marketplace where individuals can invest directly into these types of assets, which would usually require hundreds of thousands, if not millions of pounds, starting anywhere from 5 to 10K. So we don't manage money. Instead, what we do is we select and curate assets, list them on the site, do some research on every asset listed, and allow our customers to invest. So where are we right now? We went live at the end of last year, actually, to our 150 or so beta users. We've onboarded over 100 of them now and have recently closed our first deal. We partnered with a consumer loans company called Plend, who are based out of London here in the UK, offering our customers the opportunity to get access to a private credit facility that was top of the capital structure and still yielding over 10% annually. We've got £5 to £9 million worth of soft commitments from those 150 beta users. And we've got over 1,500 waitlist members that have been, that are unique and vetted and verified. Longer term, we're not looking to do hundreds of deals a year. We're looking to do around sort of 10 to 15, so about 1 or 2 a month. And having said that, I'll show you how it works now. So we're currently invite only as a platform. So if you navigate to our homepage at darksquarecapital.com, you can request early access by dropping in your name and email address. We'll then go through a suitability check to make sure you understand the risks of investing in illiquid assets that often have lockup periods of 2 to 5 years. But once you sort of go through the onboarding procedure, you'll be able to make an account, you'll be able to log in. Let's try that again. And basically the way it works is it functions like a marketplace. So you'll be able to log in once you've registered and everything. You'll then be able to view all deals. You can filter by various different criteria. So if you want to invest, let's say, directly into something, you can also do funds. You can filter by asset class. So if you just want to look at debt, equity, something like that. You can filter by geographical location, by target return rates, things like that. So let's say I want to invest in a direct debt deal, which I think is all of the ones that we have live on the site. So yeah, you can see we've got 3 options available to you. And then if you want to learn more about a specific investment opportunity, you can click on it and learn more. So we pull together a lot of high-level information. So at the top here, we have sort of company information, so more sort of background info on Plend. We've got the minimum investment here, which is £5,000, a quick deal description, some more info on the actual investment facility itself. So it's a 10% per annum coupon yielding around 10.5% because of monthly accruals, 2-year lockup periods, and then a few more details here on the kind of security package. We also pull together our own proprietary 1 to 2 page investment memo on every deal listed on our site. So you're able to view that down here. We have a documents tab. So if you want to learn more about the deal, if you want to take a look at the specifics of the security packages, the trading metrics of the underlying company, the actual full documents, the loan document, you can do that. Let's say you want to take the deal summary away with you and read more about it later on. You can download that. We watermark it to try and prevent the distribution of sensitive information, and then you have that to hand. So yeah, we've got a couple other tabs. We've got the FAQs tab. We're constantly in touch with our customers, trying to get as much feedback and field as many questions on the platform and the investment products themselves, so we list all of those. We do an intro webinar to every asset that we list on the site, and then we upload that to the platform so people who weren't able to view it in real time are able to watch it, or if you want to go back and watch it again, you're able to do that. We have some more info on our kind of fee structure. We charge 1% upfront and 1% annual management fees, the FCA risk warning, which is mandatory, and more things like that. So when a deal's live, customers are able to navigate to the where it says Manage Deal right now. It would say Invest Now. You can also do it via this tab. You'll then be able to choose if you want to invest as an individual or as a corporate if you're a wealth manager or a family office. You then click on the individual subscription agreement in this case, and that links you through to an Adobe sort of Acrobat sign, which kind of auto-populates with dates. You're able to put in your passport info, things like that. Once someone goes to transfer funds, we do KYC every customer. We partner with SumSub to do that. And then the last thing I want to show you is after somebody's actually invested, we have a kind of reporting dashboard. So our customers are able to monitor all of their investments all in one place. So you can see how much you've invested, the current value of that investment over time, the total cash distributions you've received if you're investing in a cash yielding product. You can see your P&L, and then you can see your return on investment, both as like a gross percentage factor and as a money multiple as well. So yeah, we're not a massively tech-intensive company. I think our kind of selling point is in the deal sourcing that we do and the accessibility that we provide to our customers. So yeah, we basically, it's fractional ownership of kind of expensive, out-of-reach assets. And I think, we're not looking to replace stock investing. We're sort of saying investing in these assets is a very good idea from a diversification point of view. So that's, I guess, the one message that we want to hammer home with our users is that, you should be investing in stocks, you should be investing in ETFs, but you should be diversifying beyond that, like institutional investors do. So I will leave it at that. If you do have any questions, we've got a booth in the back right corner of that room. Also, if you are interested in the platform and want to learn more, feel free to join our waitlist. It's darksquarecapital.com. And yeah, happy to take any questions that you might have. Thank you.